Alright guys, welcome to Jam Box Breaks. It is the 11th of January, 3:26 p.m. Eastern. I'm doing a box of the 2015 Panini Hall of Fame here for Garrett with his personal box. Thanks, Garrett. We're going to go with box number 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that'll be this one. Good luck, man. No cut autos yet. Should be at least one per case. I'm seeing an average of 1 to 3, so. These packs are a pain in the butt. Alright. First up, Phil Rizzuto on the Cooperstown Armed Forces. Induction of Eddie Murray. We got a Stan Musial etched in Cooperstown. That is not numbered. We got another nice jewel card coming up. We got Hack Wilson on the Crown Royal insert. Out of 75, we got Jim Palmer on the rainbow insert. Foil. Crown card of Carl Yastrzemski. Nice jewel card there, bud. Number 5 of 10. Grab a thick sleeve here. So you got Jackie Robinson the first time, and then a Carl Yaz in the second. All right, we got Golf Classic, Dennis Eckersley. I'm going to save your autos till last. We got Harmon Killebrew, 3 of 25. Next up, we got Tom Glavine, 24 of 35 on the red. We got Mr. Joe Morgan. First auto is Andre Dawson, 19 of 25 on the blue. And your second, Mr. Pat Gillick, induction auto, 2011. And that is your box, sir. Thank you. I will have this shipped out to you tomorrow. If you want any more, just let me know. That brings us down to 7 more boxes. So if you want any more, just let me know, Garrett, and I'll hop on, man. Thank you. Appreciate it.